here. That was it can service for who look at the Sikazaki coming through the system. Tina, when I was so crazy, with the Ascozalda, the jokes that is some individually actually. I have whom a Malay council institution, okay? Put the about your visit. Well, I feel evidence of anti-Jackie. Aside, Emma was implication, yes, signature. You see? So we say, there's a comes in Hale who figure out who land to soap, who say, I'm going to one of an old cheap labor. So I feel like that's one. I take a look out, take care. Kuna Asaina, Bahan, where was who by the fit pay? Say, I want to say this into that. Katinda, I love you. Monday one in my baby. You see, unfortunately, there's a thing around to Mana's ridiculum to sign there. Who is nobody will say that. But I'm not as a community. You see, so I'm wise. Umhlangano lobe kumele ulungise yona leyo nto ukuthi thina esilapha siphume esifundile.
Ngiyananzelela ukuthi ipheshana leli esikhuluma ngalo ukhanya ngazani ipheshana esilibona ngaliyabe lilipheshana kodwa lilomutsho omkhulu kakhulu empilweni zethu njengabantu besigaba. Okokuqala ngibambe lapha ukuthi kuthiwe singeke samisa iproject eyabe ikhona njengehofisanyana eyabe ikhona especially office ye-village level eyinabantu abangani bayama kakhulu bemela amalungelo abo. So kusunanzelela ukuthi lo leli pheshana thina singala ukuthi silisayine. Kodwa usubona investor yona leyo ekuleyo ndawo iqhubeka isenza umsebenzi wayo. Bese kusiba nzima ke la kithi abadala ukuthi maye sesebenza sizacela njani uncedo kuye thina siyalile ukuthi simsayinele kulipheshana lokho. Ngikhuluma mina ewadini yami lapha engikhona silama investors nalesikhuluma ngamadoda esichinela. Asilawa amandla kakhulu ukuthi sithi sicela ukubona iplan yeproject yenu elifuna ukuyenza kodwa iphepha liyabe selisayiniwe ngithi kodwa usuthola ukuthi sokulezinye izinto abazenzayo like kathesi kulalokho kuthiwa yi-bleaching. Thina sibakhangele bezo investor emayini ethile eDurban mine kodwa ke bese sinanzelela ukuthi sokulokunye asebekwenza kungaphandle ngapha. So kathi singozi yethu lokwesaba wethu kasikwazi ukuthi yona leyo thina anti sijayele imining lesiyaziyo ukuthi kuyagigwa kuyezitampeni kuyela lokwenzelokho bona sebethethe iganga elikhulu benza khona ukuthiwa i-bleaching okungangokuthi balwisana lelitshe lingagigwa. So esingakwazi ukuthi okuyinto kwabo lokhana kuzathatha isikhathi esinganani impact yakho izaba njani njengoba silomfula osegceke oseduzane lapha ukuthi amani lana abasebenza lapha asozebe ingozi yini emfuleni yakuzakhamizi ezikhulu. Ngokunye okokuqala kwezinto enginanzelele ukuthi siyaphila siphakathi kwakho singelawa amandla amakhulu kakhulu okumisa investor ukuthi abe khona esigabeni yena evele esikhulu. Ngokunye okuyile kukhangele ukuthi kungani kuyasishaya thina nje abadala. Ngiyabonga.
I-challenge yenye objective yabantu ababe becela ukuthi angelikhangele into yethu le. Kulokwala for the sake of ukwala ukuthi ngiyafunda. Ungalawo mkhangele ucungulule into ukuthi John. Bona sumfundi lo engxanye on personal grounds. Ukuthi nje ubani obuyayo uyamzonda. But thina sifuna ukukhuluma ngeobjectivity ukuthi into liyascrutinizwa ikangelo silama pros and cons nxa kudingakala ukuthi ivunyelwe ivunyelwe nxa kudingakala ukuthi challenge leli bale lithi objectivity ngiyalifuna. Okay.
Now kulabo ibalama sosiya khona wethu hayi ebaleni baba vele usayina from izivillage and khopana ikuvele ukuphamaniseka khona ngoba yini okumele lithi ukuthi liyala ngenxa ye-ABC angithi litsho futhi ukuthi right malivuma yikuphi elikufisayo ukuthi likwenze from your side lisiya phezulu yabona. And then when it comes to mining, yes, of course we are used to shaft mining, but then in Zimbabwe we have 3 recognized mining methods, which is open pit, which is shaft mining, and inclined. And Z3 zonke ziyavunyelwa athi igcwele i-shaft mining esigcwele lithi lapha going to Omzingwane insiza that esiyi bleach angithi ngenxa ye-kind of gold that is within our district. Yikho ezabona ukuthi we have so many investors coming befuna ukwenza i-open pit because itwa yini igolide lesi lingama-oxide alisiwe lelani lihamba lilibhandi labona it's an oxide ligcwele nje enhlabathini. Yikho libona abafana ezulingana begcwale emfuleni bakwazi ukuthi selikhuphule la ngaphi emfuleni. So bona bakubonile lokho so bafuna ukwenza i-open pit which is still recognized by the government of Zimbabwe as yes object sithi thina lokhu asikufuni ngoba kusemthethweni. And a heap system is something that we monitor very much. It doesn't pollute imfula land. Trust me, there is no pollution so far. But when we do collect some water samples and to check do we have any pollution. Because we have pollution in Bubi, water pollution we always say because we do sample collections. They also do their test and then submit to M. The underground water. Which underground they submit results and then we know that there is no pollution in any site. So we do not have water pollution then maybe water pollution can be someone got 50 liters, 50 kg, cyanide. But imfula with our cyanide, and it's our cyanide. The only threat we thought we had was mercury. But then, with our investigations, we noticed that our father in Sabat flame, guess we am flame very happy, very lapula manzicon, very and local inside, not within the water board. So again, with the mercury, we haven't got mercury line of iphezulu ukuthi ngaletha imikhuhlane. So when it comes to water pollution as we are still safe.
Okwesibili bekuyilo bengikhangele indawo yakithi ilama beacon ayenziwa i-duration agcwele indawo yonke la. So ama-investors ethu njoba kuphakathi kwethu sisebenza labo njani mase be-identify zona izindawo ezilama beacon ayenziwa i-duration.
Thina ikuba always say ukuthi sabalungisa kumhlahla ngonyama khabangana ngoba thina sabalogic miwabe wahlakanipha and wapheka so much land angithi izinto zaba elizweni lakhe uyarenewa they are ama-claims sibila semthethweni agcwele konke leyo. But then in the case ukuthi kulabantu abahlalayo endaweni yikho kade ngisatsho lapha ukuthi nxa kule relocation of abantu, it has to be communicated. No one is allowed or supposed to relocate without relevant government departments. As so far, we haven't had any case. It will relocate people from one point to another. What we've maybe had more corridors are people allowing to move. But it's something in corridor, not something formal. There was so even if we have so many pegs, it doesn't mean ukuthi wena mali kule package uzolomuze you are at risk of losing umuzi. It's a procedure. We have so many government departments who are involved when people are being moved from point A to B. How long do they move?
So maybe u-edela thulaphana ukuthi belikhuluma ukuthi nxa nina at community level seliyalile ukuthi i-project yenzakale why lingaconsider kulokhu isaying I also stand to be corrected. I-signature doesn't mean ukuthi uyavuma and i-signature you-verify ukuthi babuyile sibabonile akuso automatic yes. So after ukusayina lapha there is no sithi ukungasayini licala is because babuyile libabonile bakhulume lani i-signature yes tshela ukuthi kuyenzakele konke khona lokho. So you sign nxa kuyikuthi you are against i-project yakhona selikhuluma ukuthi ama-concerns ethu la yikho singayifuni and then nxa sokubuya ngapha sokumele i-proponent umuntu obuya ezoyenza i-project ekhuluma ukuthi since aba-community esithi a-consent ngentaba yabo kumbe this wena how are you going to avoid ukuphambanisa into yena le abangafuniyo wena uyiphambanisa then nangiyo sebuya sesithi hayi ansoze ngiyithinta intaba so ukusayina siyasayina but asikhulumeni ukuthi asifuni project le because of ABC then so kudingakala ukuthi singahamba njani around ama-concerns ethu ukuze project le ihambe phambili at the same time singakhubi abantu abahlala khona pha ku project abaza affected direct.
Sinyezo silayo indaba kuyona leyo i-site abayenzileyo for i-bleaching sakhulumisana lawo. Unfortunately sakhulumisana labo kungela recorded thing. Sabacela ukuthi hayi gentlemen as long intaba leli ikhangele besicela ukuthi maybe engxenye ngachiya i-distance of 300 meters from the mountain. Konke lokhana ngokunye okuyizinto siyabe sidlula kikho in concern ukuthi abantu bona baze bekhangelene befuna ukuthi kwenzakaleni endaweni yabo. Sikubalekelayo kuphela okunenge ukuthi lathi siyakwazi ukuthi i-mob psychology esikhathi esiningi ayilanto enhle engaphuma layo eluncedo ebantwini but bese kudinga ukuthi lina eliyabe liku leadership into leyi ikhangela liyibone iza kuba lempumela bani kusasa maybe enxe khona ukwenza ukuthi udingisutho ukuthi enxe kulabantu ababili abathathu abaphakathi kwaleyo nto kodwa siyabe sidlule ngikho lapho sakoveza biba abantu. Ngiyabonga.
I think if it was written maybe EIA doing and ungakhulumanga kuphela ngabe kuthiwa maybe something sesifaka sensitive yina lathi so labona so kuyasuke kwi-weight yabo against yena ukuthi thina basitshelanga nalithi sabatshela and then there is nothing ebhaliweyo phansi that we have to engasupporta what you guys agreed on, but then nonetheless it's something that can be that can be addressed with a minor corner. But another thing that we have noted, and after issuing out or EIA certificate, the problem is whereby we have people that then approach certain minds and individuals, maybe personal capacity and seeking favors and then promising the investors izinto eziphezu kwamandla. Angithi umuntu ahamba lapha nethi nabantwana bami abanje ngicela ukufaka ecompany mina ngile hlobo sami sinje ngicela ecompany laba sebecela something in return angithi and then usubathembisa into zangikhona zenzakala njalo abantu sebebuya again for what uzo complain and then trust me especially the Chinese guys will always say your name out. They have a camera now, about dangerous and cameras from the gate to the office to the computer that is facing you, and they will and they will prove it. And they will and Okay, what's your name? Sivanda. Okay, Sivanda. When I was I found next time I'm behaving that. Can we know maybe about to our pride way and balance child. Oh no, man. Oh, Sivanda. Sivanda. When I was 2 million Sivanda, 500. And Jahamba, of course, there are other ones who's taking it. And because those guys will always say the truth. That's a Chinese guy, but built like that. They respect the command. They are told to report on people who come for personal favors. And so you have to say, Baba was about that. Fight pressure which Baba was but Baba was so as not the Lenama, they are very clever. They are very clever. Sing our land, see one. Ram Councillor Ekambe, I think what she said, government if there is anything or anything complaint and abandoned team. Councillor also people are called they have better pants because they will say good time. One away one to front care and one away one to front care, one away one to front care. At the end of the day, so China can't do what So I think maybe Mama Sila, any other question, maybe I can then let you. I think I'm okay, sorry. The battery of Christmas card, yes, like but today, Emma said, Tanta Kuru, it's a 10 Christmas card. Christmas is free. So you just take one and pass it through. Now, the far assessment, this one is for last year. Oti Sichisongana is the whole country. So again, can you check one and pass forward?
Merry Christmas,
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
One of the key takeaways that it's important that you reach the we have been a civil local food, so I would be within the system, within us as well. Tina has some stakeholders, the vendors, even the communication that we're giving each other, like feeding in. So in order for us to help each other as a district, we need to communicate. And communication means we know the right offices and the right people to approach when the common problem are easily solved. Environmental technician, we are some of the issues that are figured out, but if we communicate properly, we will not figure something. Sibe is thinking and just the possible solution. Because you might find that every house, every district, some of the problems that we face, one organization can have a solution to it. So let's try and communicate, even at what level, let's try and bridge the knowledge and environmental impact assessment. Go and share it with others. So that when we can even among monitors locally understand the lazy, very please report. I then to have environmental technician, I will start through the Rural District Council Environmental Impact Assessment Policy.
Ngiyabonga Debra. Okwami ukufitshane. Sanibonani. Okwami ukufitshane.